Ketones and aldehydes can be prepared from dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. When calcium salts of carboxylic acids are distilled, we'll get carbonyl compounds. For example, distillation of calcium formate, HCOO. HCOO minus is formate ion. So HCOO twice Ca is calcium formate. On dry distillation, it loses a molecule of calcium carbonate. It loses a molecule of calcium carbonate and it forms formaldehyde. Now, dry distillation of calcium acetate, CH3COO twice Ca. This is calcium acetate. When it is subjected to dry distillation, again it loses a molecule of calcium carbonate and it forms acetone. It forms acetone. This method is, however, not suitable for the preparation of aldehydes except formaldehyde, because we need to use mixture of two different calcium salts to prepare aldehydes. And what happens? We will get three different products. So yield of the aldehyde will be less there. Again, I am repeating, this method is not suitable for the preparation of aldehydes except formaldehyde, since the yields are low. What is the reason for that? When a mixture of two different calcium salts is heated, we'll get three different products. So, dry distillation of mixture of calcium salts is not a suitable method for the preparation of aldehydes. For example, if I use calcium formate and calcium acetate, let us take one example, calcium acetate. And calcium formate. Calcium acetate and calcium formate on dry distillation, what happens? It loses two molecules of calcium carbonate. So two molecules of calcium carbonate are lost here. Along with that, what I am getting? CH3CHO. 2 moles of CH3CHO are obtained. So, dry distillation of calcium formate and calcium acetate will give acetaldehyde. But along with acetaldehyde, here we will get acetone and formaldehyde. Why will we get acetone and formaldehyde? If only this compound, calcium formate, undergoes dry distillation, you will get formaldehyde. If only calcium acetate undergoes dry distillation, you will get acetone. If mixture of calcium acetate and calcium formate is undergoes dry distillation, you will get acetaldehyde. Means we will get three different products here. So this is not a suitable method for the preparation of aldehydes. Not only that, this method cannot be used for the preparation of unsymmetrical ketones, because here also we will get a mixture of three ketones. For example, dry distillation of calcium acetate and calcium propanoate. Let us see dry distillation of calcium acetate. CH3COO Ca plus propionate. Dry distillation of calcium acetate and calcium propionate, what will you get? You will get a mixture of acetone, butanone and pentanone. Here what will you get? Acetone, butanone and pentanone. So symmetric ketones and formaldehyde can be easily prepared by dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. But it is not a good method, suitable method for the preparation of aldehydes except formaldehyde and for the preparation of unsymmetric ketones. We can prepare symmetric ketones but not unsymmetric ketones. What is the reason there? We'll get a mixture of products there. Mixture of 3 different products we will get there. So this is about calcium salt of carboxylic acids, dry distillation of